Kafka's world, a tragedy or philosophy? He is terribly afraid of dying because he hasn't lived yet. Well, ऐसा काफका कहते हैं. आपने कभी न कभी तो उनका नाम ज़रूर सुना होगा. And have you ever wondered why is he one of the most mysterious and influenced writers of the 20th century? Why his story is full of nightmares, strange, confusing and fearful? What personal tragedies shaped his unique worldview? Well, I'm Shreya Maurya, and in this video, we will dive into the Kafka's world. Kafka's early life. July 3rd, 1883, प्रेग के एक छोटे से ज्यूस परिवार में जन्म हुआ एक बच्चे का. At that time, Prague was a part of Austro-Hungarian Empire. उनका biggest struggle outside world से नहीं, उनके father से था. He was a strong businessman with a loud voice and harsh personality. He saw his son as weak and useless, and on the other hand, his mother was kind and passionate woman. Kafka felt that his father acted like a tyrant. Now, let's talk about his school and early writing. Well, after completing his primary school, he studied law at Charles University in Prague, not out of passion, but to please his father only. And यहीं से शुरू होती है एक writer की story. The loneliness and harshness he felt came out in the form of his literary works. He used to work long hours at an insurance company in the daytime, which is a job with endless paperwork. But at night, he was something else. A writer, a thinker, an analyzer. His curiosities was mostly about knowing कि life and world strange and cruel क्यों है. His life was shaped by two deep struggles. His frail health and other was his complicated love life. He was diagnosed with tuberculosis, a deadly disease that attacked his lungs. It not only affected him physically but also tormented him mentally. And falling in love thrice, उनकी relationship बहुत painful थी. He wanted connection but was afraid of marriage. Now let's talk about his philosophy. It's like a man versus the universe. Kafka's books are dark and confusing because he believed that life was itself dark and confusing. Philosophy is about absurdism. Absurdism is a philosophy which says कि ये world बिल्कुल senseless है, इसका कोई sense नहीं बनता, and people get trapped in problems they don't understand. They do something which even they don't know why. And अगर हम deep में सोचे तो ये सही भी है किसी हद तक. काफका लिखते हैं कि you are free and that's why you are lost. Many of Kafka's characters fight against invisible rules and unfair system. जैसे अगर हम एग्जाम्पल ले उन्हीं के द्वारा लिखी हुई एक बुक द ट्रायल में, जिसमें उन्होंने एक कैरेक्टर को प्लॉट किया है जिसको अरेस्ट कर लिया जाता है विदाउट टेलिंग हिम द क्राइम ही कमिटेड. His one of the most masterpiece work, The Metamorphosis, which is world famous. इसके बारे में तो आपने सुना ही होगा, and even अगर आपने नहीं पढ़ा है तो I would recommend you to read that book. इसमें ग्रीगर सामसा नाम का एक इंसान है. वो एक दिन उठकर देखता है कि he has turned into a giant bug. His family is ashamed of him, locks him in a room and eventually lets him die. He says, I'm a cage in search of a bird. And again he said, it is after safer to be in chains than to be free. And he says, I'm a cage in search of a bird. And again he said, it is often safer to be in chains than to be free. His last breath and world after. अपने नॉवेल्स के साथ अच्छा टाइम स्पेंड करने के बाद उनको अब यहाँ घुटन होने लगी थी. Sorrowfully he died at just 40. He said his friend to burn all his literary works, but he published all of them. And that's how we got a very different perspective of life. Kafka's world. Now just imagine he was suffering from Kafka's cure. Well, if the people don't know, this term is used to describe the situation that feels confusing, scary, and impossible to escape. Just like what was the feeling of Kafka. His repressed emotions from all his lives demanded him to bleed on paper. Conclusion. Kafka's world is still our world. We still deal with unfair systems, feeling of being lost. His books remind us of how fragile life is and how hard it is to find meaning. He didn't give us answers. He just gave us the right questions to ask. His last message to the world was, the meaning of life is that stops. So this was all, my friends. Thank you.